How to loop a video on Instagram story. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a loop video on Instagram story. After you open up your Instagram like this, now tap, as you can see, now swipe to right to open the camera section like this. After you come to this your story section, as you can see, now I'm in this story section. So all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see, now tap on this icon, this one is called boomerang. Tap on it. After you tap on this, as you can see here, it says boomerang. So now I activated the option. So now all you have to do now, tap on this camera section to just record your video. You can just go ahead and choose a filter if you want. So after you choose your filter, tap on this camera icon to record the video. After you finish recording your video, as you can see, now it's just processing my video. I'll just wait it to finish. So as you can see now, after it finish processing your video, as you can see now, it will make, as you can see now, your video is moving by itself. After you finish that, now you can tap on the icon. As you can see now, here is it. You can tap on it again. As you can see, you can now get, as you can see now, different, as you can see now, option that you can go and test it. So now you can tap on this section or this one or this one. You can just go ahead and test all of this, so you can just customize your video. After you finish that, all you have to do now, tap on this done button. After you tap on the done button, now you can tap on this, as you can see now, share button. So now you can go ahead and share your Instagram story with the loop that you added on it. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.